Okay, so now we are gonna do a quick test here with this EcoFlow RIVER 600 Max, and we got this device here, so we are gonna switch it on. So this was basically the lowest setting, about 256 watts, and we are now gonna kick it up to the max, or to those few levels that are gonna take more watts. So it's gonna be a bit lower than 600 watts. So as you could see, it was I believe 595 watts approximately, and it was running very well or perfectly, so without any issues. So you should be able to run this constantly over a longer period of time. Of course, the battery will be drained at a certain level. It's gonna be about 45 minutes runtime. That was displayed here on the device itself with those 85% battery power. If you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and now looking forward to your comment, your message, and of course, depending on your location, also to your order. See you soon in the next video.